Hi Disney lovers!
Hi Disney lovers! Welcome back. I'm Kathy and I'm here with my brother.
Hi Disney lovers!
This is Rob, or the Points Guy Jr.
Yeah, that's right.
TPG Jr. Yeah, so we're here today with a Magic at Your Door unboxing for the month of December. Yes, so very excited. Got our little Christmas backdrop. So
beautiful. And
Rob's gonna help me open this up.
Let's do it.
Okay. Ugh, this is always the hard part.
Woo! Christmas.
Okay, as always, we have our little pricing guide with all the different colors and the prices. And it looks like they have a new Disney Pins mystery box. So I'll link that down below.
Woo!
And yes, of course, our
Christmas one,
favorite.
Betty.
And we knew, of course, that it would be red and green, and there's even some white in there. And this is gonna make a big mess. All right, let's see. Go ahead, you start. What's in there first?
All right, let's see the first thing. I always go for the big thing
Oh,
first.
that's cute. Oh, wow.
Oh, that's a big one. So what is it?
Snow Baby.
What?
Oh my gosh. So it's one of those little baby characters with the tree, and he's got a Mickey helping him.
That's
put up the
adorable.
lights.
That's awesome.
Really cute.
I
I
like
like that. Very nice. Lighting the tree with Mickey, it's called.
Was it go on your desk or something?
Yeah.
Yeah, very nice.
New Christmas decoration.
Yep, that's right.
What's next?
Go ahead.
Oh,
Ooh,
perfect. I've been
postcard.
asking for some Disney art. So a lot of times they give it in like a postcard size or just a little bit bigger. So that one's cute. It's the castle. It's got like a rainbow.
Yeah, that's a really nice one.
River. Yeah. So
Like it.
very nice. Oh,
Okay.
you're already opening something else.
We got something in bubble wrap. Let's see. Oh, it's an ornament.
Wait, it
gonna
says
bring
something too. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Celebrating 60 years.
60 years, huh?
Yeah, for Peter
Film.
Pan. Wow.
Film anniversary.
Here.
Look at him, he's so cute.
It's got Peter coming out of the window.
Jumping out the window.
There we go. So there's Peter in the window. And it has a big 60 on top. Very
Awesome.
cute. Just like add that to the
Yeah,
tree
right?
now,
Put it on right now.
Open that up. Up.
Oh,
Oh,
we got
look.
a few more things. Go for it.
Yeah.
All right, let's see what we got. Is this a Mickey's pants? Is this a
Looks
pot
kinda
holder?
like a trivet.
Feel it. It looks like a pot holder.
Trivet.
Trivet, you were right.
It is a
Mickey
silicone
pants
trivet. That is cute.
Yay.
Oh my
That
gosh,
is
I
cute.
love that.
I
That's
like the little Mickey
pants.
pants, yeah. And it's red.
Very nice. That's
Christmas
perfect.
pants.
Perfect for the kitchen, yes.
You got
I
that
was
one?
just going to take this off and
Okay.
hang it up. Up right behind us.
Put it up.
Which branch looks good? This one?
Maybe. A little heavy. He's a
Whoa.
little heavy. He's a little heavy.
He's going to fall off behind us as we're...
Yeah.
All right, and then...
Last
This is
one.
one of my favorite parts.
Let's
Yep.
see it. Ooh,
Silver pouch.
What's in the
Are you
silver
ready?
pouch? More fun, Betty.
That's what you get.
Hey.
All right, let's see.
What is it?
Trying to keep it in the
The
box
suspense
so we don't
is
have
killing
it
me.
everywhere. Maybe there's nothing in there.
I know. I don't know. Is it? It's just the pouch.
Oh God, I'm trying to open it more. Oh, it's wrapped around. There we go.
Oh.
Ah, I feel something.
Yep. Something fell out too.
What?
Ooh, what is that? Oh, a
They
pin.
got their own pins
Is that the pin?
made.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's
so
awesome.
it's a Magic at Your Door pin for 2018.
Yay.
Thanks, guys. That's very cool. Oh, cute.
That is very nice. That's a good touch.
Awesome. All right.
I like it.
So, yes, very happy with all the Christmas stuff that we got in there. I am going to add up the prices and we'll come back. All right. Who has a phone?
My phone's over there.
What? What?
What?
More, you missed something.
Oh.
I was gonna say that wasn't.
I know. I was like, wait a minute. There are ears. Yay, Christmas
Yes.
ears.
Those are awesome.
I was cleaning up all the confetti and it was like stuck in all this mess.
There's always
oh,
something
that's
special.
cute. Here, let me try them on.
I like it. And that goes good with your outfit.
I should wear them all
You
day
should wear
today.
it all day. Yeah.
Okay. So, wait, these are really cute. I like these. awesome.
They are cute ones.
All right, let's add it up. So the total of this box came to about $120. Not quite sure the cost on the postcard. There wasn't a label or a color, as well as the Magic at Your Door pin from Magic at Your Door. So about $120, and again, this box is only $90, including shipping, so
yeah,
pretty excited.
Pretty worth it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right? Pretty good.
Yep, good stuff.
And I really love all of the Christmas stuff that I got this month, so thank you so much to Magic at Your Door. This is going to be my last box for a little while. I'm gonna skip a few months. Another great thing about Magic at Your Door, part of their subscription is that you can skip a few months if you need to take a break. So I'm gonna do that, and then hopefully we'll come back in the springtime. But
that's it, we'll be back.
Thanks for joining us.
Thanks, it was wonderful.
Yeah, it's fun. Now, what do you want to
Cool
keep
box.
out of this?
I get to keep it all, I thought.
Whoa!
That was the deal. I don't know, I thought that was the deal.
All right, see you next time. Bye, Disney
Bye-bye.
lovers.